Rus Oil lipsticks have had my heart for a very, very long time. I'm really surprised how I didn't feature these lipsticks much earlier. They've been my staple. I've been loving them. I've been loving so much about them. I had not tried all the shades. I still have not tried, but I got a few more so that I could try them and also make a video for you. And I'm also going to show you some fantastic skincare range from the Rus Oil that I have been absolutely loving. So it's going to be a mix of lipstick swatches and some of the top skincare range from Rus that you must try. So hang on and I'll tell you which is my favorite shade and I'll tell you why I love this brand of lipstick. Stay tuned. Hi, I'm Aparna Ganesh. I am thrilled to welcome you to yet another video at Joy Geeks. If you're completely new here, please know that this is where we have a lot of fun discussing lipsticks, skincare, some bits of fashion, and life overall. If you have never watched a video, watch this. If you like this, then please hit the subscribe button so you do not miss a future post from my end. And if you've always been here as Team Joy Geeks, lots of love and hugs and kisses to you. It means the world to me that you are here supporting me, loving me, and sending so much of your, love through the comments. So keep that going. I'm going to straight jump into Rus Oil lipsticks. First things first, if you look at their site, Rus Oil is a skincare brand. And I have been using their skincare as well. In fact, I will feature some skincare as well today because it makes sense to add that in to let you know which are my favorites. But this is called the Lumiere Satin Matte Lipstick from Rus Oils. If you know, Rus Oils first started with those, the 24K oils, which I had featured earlier as well. I love that. Now they do have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 shades. I've got 5 of them today. And what they are saying about their lipstick is that it's creamy, long stay, comfortable, matte. This is what the packaging looks like. It's a beautiful, very, very luxe looking gold packaging. You can see there are those very, very light lines in there. There's a beautiful embossing of Rus right on top. And there is no reference of the shade below. But at least I can read the text pretty well. So I'm happy about that. You open this up. It's very, there is some form of a locking system. There is some magnetic thing there. And then when you open it up, it's like a normal bullet, but it's a very, very sturdy packaging. It is metal and it feels really good and it's not too heavy. But it's, feels very luxe when you have it in your hand because of, that it's a dull gold. I think it looks very, very nice. This is 4.2 grams for 2,290 rupees. But very often they do have these sales, 1 with 1, and so many sales that they have 30% off. Do get it at that time. And there is also a discount code of mine which I'll add on the screen. I'll also add the link in the description. So you can go check it out and you will get an extra offer as well when you use the code. Now about the lipstick itself, I will tell you it has a solid pigmentation. When you apply it, you will feel like, of course, it glides like makhan on the lip. There is no tugging, there is no dryness, nothing. Pigmentation wise also, you will see that the pigmentation is really good. Now this, what I have got here is about 2-3 swipes. So, but even with one, let me just swipe one next to it so you can understand. Can you see? Sorry, it's not a very well done thing, but you can see the pigmentation is pretty good. Even with one swipe, that works very well. Now they say it's creamy. Yes, it's very creamy. It's very, very moisturizing. In fact, this is my staple lipstick because it feels so good on the lips. Nourishing botanical infusion. I do feel nourished in my lip and it effortlessly. It has makhan application, like I said. Long lasting stay for 8 hours. Very, very surprisingly, it actually has long lasting effect. It does not leave its mark everywhere like most lipsticks. Of course, it's not transfer proof. I'm going to show that to you. How much it's coming off is quite minimal. It's not, everything is not off. And I find the effect, at least I will say, I've not like timed it honestly, but I will say 6-7 hours chalta hai. It's really good. The other claim they have is that specially suited for all Indian skin tones. Now this is something I'll tell you after I test all the shades, okay? Because some of them I am not very sure. I feel that they're not going to be great for my skin tone at least. So I will wear that and then check. So what is the ingredients in focus? It has argan oil, avocado oil and hibiscus extract, which I think is lovely. Some of the other beautiful elements of this is that it's cruelty free, 100% vegan and natural and organic. Oh, I didn't realize this ever. I'm just reading on the site. Revolutionary 3D glowing pigments which make your lip look fuller. Of course, I love the effect. I don't know about the fullness, but it makes my lip really shine and I like that. They say it's a comfortable matte satin finish and you can see that it does have a satin finish. But actually, I will say that it feels on your lip like matte. If you do not like that very creamy texture on the lip, you will love this because it's very nourishing but does not overtly feel creamy. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and swatch the shades. First shade I have is a shade called Champagne Blush. This I'm featuring first because this is the first shade I had used and you can see how much of it I have used up. I think this works across a lot of skin tones and I had made a lot of reels of this shade as well. This is a very, very pretty rose pink color. Even for, girls darker tone than me, I think this is going to look really good. This is a very, very special color. I think there is a little brightness to it, even though it's so neutral and so nudish. So I love that. It's not washing me out. It is making my face come alive and so many good things. I love this and this is actually one of my most favorites. I'm featuring this. The next shade I'm showing is a shade called Desert Dusk. It's a new shade. I have tried it just once, but I haven't tried it enough. So I'm going to swatch this and tell you what I feel. This is, I will say, terracotta brown. You can see this is pink, this is terracotta brown, Desert Dusk. I'm super excited to try this on. How lovely is this? This is, like I said, an orange tinted terracotta-ish brown shade that of course we can wear every day. Feels so good on the lip. Do you love this? You have to tell me in the chat. You have to tell me in the comments which shade do you love as and when you see it. Okay? Tell me what is your version of the shade also. Matlab, how do you describe this shade? The next shade I'm trying out is a shade called Nude Silk. Now to be very honest, when I bought this itself, I was a little skeptical कि यार ये shade ना पता नहीं कैसे दिखेगा, बहुत nude दिखेगा, brown दिखेगा. So I'm going to first swatch this and show you. It is a very light pink and I'm a little afraid. I don't know how this is going to look. Can you see this is all good for brown skin? This may be a little dicey. Let's try this out. I hope this works out. It is peachy. You can see, I'm showing you this so you can see my color, lip color. It's pigmented. And you can see after the lipstick what it looks like. अच्छा तो लग रहा है shade. But without any makeup, I don't know how this will look. Now I do have a face full of makeup. I feel that this is a little on the lighter zone. This is a little more peachish. And I feel that this will not look so good without foundation. Actually, though I like it actually with foundation. But if you are a shade darker than me, then please know that this could be dicey for you. I'm saying this 100% honestly. I want you to get lipsticks that will 100% suit you because we put our hard work, our hard-earned money. That's also a money belief, right? That money happens only when you work very hard. I've been doing a lot of coaching. I've been working a lot on my mindset. How do you feel about money? Do you feel money comes only when you work very hard? Or what are your certain money beliefs? Complete the statement and add that in the comment. Money comes to those who dash. Okay? Please, I want to just hear what you have to say, because I'm working a lot with my community in Bindas Divas and I work with their money mindset. So I want to understand what is yours. And before I move the next shade, please ensure you have hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, because you do not want to miss any video that I post. And we are soon going to reach 1 lakh. I need all your love and support कि आप दूसरों के साथ भी ये share करें, and let's take this channel to bigger heights. I want to do a lot of exciting things here based on what you demand as well in the comments. Yeah. Now the next shade is very intriguing for me. It's a light pink, but I was very curious to see how this looks and how different is this from Champagne Blush. Let me swatch this right under Champagne Blush so that we can see the difference. It's pretty close. This is a lot more pinker than this. This has more peach. Okay, I hope I'm able to show this to you. This has more peach. It looks similar, but actually it's not. This is more Barbie pink. Yeah, I love this pink as well. It's such a beautiful girly pink in the light shade. I love this. All of these shades have been everyday nudes. Love this. Before I move to the next shade, I also want to show you some skincare that I've been absolutely loving from Russ. In Russ Oil skincare range, of course, I have loved the face oils. I still swear by them, the 24K one, the beauty one. There are a couple of names and I have used pretty much all of them and loved it. So wo to 100% I have featured earlier also, so I'm not talking about it now. Right now, recently what I got, and I think I made a reel on this. This is Russ Serum for Collagen Boosting and Firming Russ Serum. This is really, really nice. You can see how much I have used of this. Half a bottle is done, which means I've really been using it, because you know you need very, very few drops of it. It's in a drop format, can you see? And it's very thin. But when you apply it, I will swatch it and show it to you in my palm as well. Look at the consistency. Okay, it's very liquidy, but yet there is some stickiness to it. It feels really nice. I love the serum. I have been using it day and night. I will add all the details of what they're claiming, everything on the screen, because I'm just telling you, I love this. It makes my skin feel really nice and hydrated in a very effortless way. Okay, that's what I'll say for this. The other thing I got was a set of this day and night cream. So I first got this, and then I got this because I love this so much. This is their night cream, and they have this beautiful, very, very luxurious designed stuff. They have this beautiful golden spoon to take stuff which I actually use on an everyday basis. अब ये तो मेरा आधा टब खत्म हो गया है. There, I have used quite a bit of it, and I love this. Again, I'm going to put very little here to just show you the consistency. I mean, what the texture is like. Very light. It does not feel overtly heavy, yet it feels like nicely. You know what? The best thing about Russ Oil products for me have been the fragrance of it. This feels so fresh and so organic, but not in an, you know, like a bad smelling way. In a nice way. When I apply this, even those oils, I used to really love how fragrant it used to be. And I'll show you the day cream. Day cream has SPF as well. It's a multivitamin day cream. This is how the cover looks. Because I got this recently, I also had the box. But I think this is really, really luxurious, beautiful. I'll add the price and all of the ingredients of this. This is more recently got, so it's not used as much, but I do love this. Now I'm going to show you the consistency of this as well. So this has a different smell, that has a different smell. I love the fragrance, the feel of this, and it won't be too much for anybody who has a very you have a nose which you do not like too many smells, it will not bother you. I think I am one of those. I don't like artificial smells too much, but ye I really like. The next one I'm going to show you is their ultra hydrating multi-purpose gel. Very, very luxe looking, super luxe. Let me show you. This I have honestly not used too much, but the few times that I did use it, I loved it. It's aloe vera, coconut water and rose. Needless to say, it smells really good. Now I'm going to show you the texture of this. Okay, why am I using my finger when I have this beautiful thing they give along with it? So let me just dip a bit of this. Okay, show you the texture. Oof, it looks self. Okay, that's what texture looks like. This also, right, has a little wee bit of stickiness to it when you apply it. It will not be completely कुछ लगाया और कुछ भी लगा ही नहीं, and I like that it has that. तो मुझे I want to feel nourished and I want to feel moisturized. I love this too. The other product I have got from them, to be very honest, I have not used it. This again I got as a gift. Rust Brightening and Anti-Pigmentation Serum. It's like literally like a new baby. So this is what it is like. I haven't used this. I will use it and then later I will tell you. I'm being honest. But I love the cute packaging. I love that it's in such a small bottle, so I can actually carry it with me for travels. And like I said, there is a discount code. I'll add it on the screen and you can use the link that I give you below whenever you want to shop so that you can get extra discounts on their site. Now that I've shown you all the skincare, let me get to the last shade of the lipstick that I have. The next shade I have to show you is a shade called Twilight Truffle. And this is more on the darker shade, the darkest of them all actually that I have. Let me swipe this for you. You can see this is more on the maroonish side. It's mauvish maroonish shade. It's definitely darker. I'm going to show you what this looks like on the lip. So this is a shade that will be a beautiful shade even for a lot more darker skin girls, and for somebody like me it is really dark, so somebody who has lighter skin tone, it's going to look like super dark for you. So you can decide if you like these kind of shades, you can use this. This is like a maroonish lipstick, and I know lots of you love maroon lipsticks. If you want me to make a video of featuring a lot of my maroon favorites, type maroon in the comments. Yeah, if you really love this video, you please make sure you give a heart, and thank you so much for all of your love that you have been continuously giving me in the comments and on Instagram and everywhere else. It really means the world to me, and I used to come live very often earlier. I would love to do that again if you'd like me to. You can send me your requests so that I can make video based off that, and we can all have some fun discussions over makeup, over lipsticks. Up to festivities ka time mein we all want to look fantastic in pictures as well, and during the live sessions, during the live event. So I have to make a lot more videos for you. Yeah, so that's about it. Thank you so much. Lots of love. Please come back and watch lots more on Joy Geeks One.